Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. Alright, so today's video, this is episode 157 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it's absolutely fantastic. It is just an amazing devotional. It truly, truly is. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check that out, there is a link in the description box for a playlist. And I guess that's it. So, well, before we jump right in, I will let you know that I am feeling a little bit better, but I gotta be honest, I'm not totally sure that I didn't have COVID because I'm really having a hard time getting over this. It was like an upper respiratory type thing, like head stopped up, chest congestion, bad headache, just the yucky feeling, you know what I mean? And lots of drainage. I've had, oh my gosh, so much drainage. But anyways, so most of that has subsided, but that just zapped, no energy, blah, yucky feeling, has just kind of stayed around, and I'm having a hard time kicking that. So anyways, I'm not totally sure. I don't know, whatever. I didn't go to the doctor. I just, did what I had to do, and we're here. Anyways, so I'm going to do my best. I'm still a little stopped up sounding, but I'm going to do my best, and I will just tell you guys this devotional today. All right, let's jump right in. Okay, number 157. Remember that you live in a fallen world, an abnormal world tainted by sin. Much frustration and failure result from your seeking perfection in this life. There is nothing perfect in this world except me. That is why closeness to me satisfies deep yearnings and fills you with joy. I have planted longing for perfection in every human heart. This is a good desire, which I alone can fulfill. But most people seek this fulfillment in other people and earthly pleasures or achievements. Thus they create idols before which they bow down. I will have no other gods before me. Make me the deepest desire of your heart. Let me fulfill your yearning for perfection. Very, very good. Much frustration and failure results from your seeking perfection in this life. Life is not perfect. Nobody has the perfect life. Nobody's ever had the perfect life. Nobody's going to have the perfect life. Not in this world. This is a fallen world that we live in. I mean, I think that I am, in a way, a little bit of a perfectionist. I like things to be a certain way, and I like, orderliness and whatever. But I also know that God's in control. And that no matter my efforts, if what I'm doing or searching for doesn't align with God's will for my life, it's never going to work out anyway. So I need to be seeking God and what God has planned for me. That's where joy comes from. That's where fulfillment in your life comes from. Fulfilling the purpose that God has for you. Not the one you have for yourself. Okay, let's do the verses. We know that the whole creation has been groaning as in the pains of childbirth right up to the present time. Romans 8:22. You shall have no other gods before me. Exodus 23. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:4. You know, we sometimes are searching for perfection in this life. It's never going to happen. Life's about ups and downs and bends and turns and seasons. And they're not always perfect. But if you've got God that right there with you, you're going to be just fine. I mean, you're going to make it through. But don't be searching for perfection through achievements or worldly pleasures. Because they will never fill you with the joy like God's joy has. Trust me, I've been there. I've done that. God's joy is different. It's special. Yeah. That is why closeness to me satisfies deep yearnings and fills you with joy. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Thank you. If you, y'all, this is awful. I'm telling you, I feel rough. Like, I have not felt good in days. I'm just blah. Anyways, thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.